Good morning, class 2nd. Today we'll start block 2, my body. In this block we will learn about in a human body all the external body parts have different functions. Different sense organs work together to help us understand the world surrounding us. When one or more parts of our bodies don't work properly, we fall sick, and each sickness shows different symptoms. It is important to take care of people who have physical challenges. Okay? So we'll start with lesson 1, parts of the body. Okay? Our bodies have many parts. The parts that we can see like head, neck, torso, arms, hands, legs and feet are called external parts, external body parts. Okay, so there are the words torso. What is the meaning of torso? Torso, the part of body from neck to hip. So from neck to hip together we call it torso. Okay, and external means outer, the body parts that we can see. Okay, so each body part helps us to do different things. Like our legs, we use our legs and feet help to run, stand, jump and kick. Torso helps to bend and twist the bodies. Arms and hands help to pick, hold, push and throw. The body parts work together to do different activities. For example, we use our hands, arms and eyes together to write and draw. Okay? Now you can see here in the picture, neck helps us to move the head. Our neck helps us to move the head. We just head up, just do head up and down. You can see your neck helps to move your head. Okay, next is mouth. Mouth helps us to smile, talk and eat. Okay, next, sense organs. So we already read that we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. We see things with our eyes, smell with our nose, taste with our tongue, hear with our ears, and touch and feel things with our skin. We use these sense organs together to carry out different activities. Okay? We should take care of our sense organs by keeping them clean. We should clean our sense organs. Okay? We should keep our sense organs clean every time. We should also eat healthy food and exercise daily. It is very important if we exercise daily, so it helps us to make us fit. So we should eat healthy food and exercise daily to keep our sense organs healthy. When we ride a bicycle, you can see in the picture, the girls are riding bicycles. So when we ride a bicycle, our eyes help to look around and our ears help to hear the sounds of vehicles which are behind us. Okay? When we eat a cake, eyes help to look at it. Nose helps to smell it. Tongue helps to taste it and skin helps to feel its softness. Okay? Did you know some animals have very strong senses? For example, a dog can smell things from several kilometers away. Dogs are having a very strong senses. Okay, so they can smell, very strong sense of smell, so they can smell things from several kilometers away. Next is when we fall sick. When our body parts do not work properly, we fall sick. जब हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स अच्छे से काम नहीं करते तो हम बीमार, लाइक जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हमारा मन नहीं करता ना कुछ भी करने को. सो द बॉडी शोज सिम्टम्स दैट टेल अस दैट वी आर सिक. So our body shows us some symptoms that we are sick now. So common cold, ear and eye infection and stomach infection are some common sicknesses. So what are the symptoms of common cold? How do you know that you have a cold? So sneezing, runny nose and fever, coughing and pain in throat, feeling cold and headache. These are the symptoms of common cold. So if you are sneezing continuously, if you have a runny nose, if you have a fever, coughing, throat pain, if you are feeling cold or if you have headache, it means you have common cold. Okay, so these are the symptoms of common cold. Next is stomach infection. So what are the symptoms of stomach infection? So vomiting, watery stool, pain in stomach. These are the symptoms of stomach infection. अगर आपको vomit हो रहा है, watery stool है, आपके पेट में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द है, it means you have stomach infection. You are suffering from stomach infection. Okay? We need to keep our bodies clean and to eat healthy food. If the body is dirty or weak, germs grow inside us. What are germs? Germs क्या होते हैं बेटा? Germs are very small living things, okay, that can make us sick. Germs are very small living things that can make us sick. So if our body is dirty and weak, germs grow inside us. Germs अपने आप grow हो जाते हैं अपनी body, हमारी body के अंदर. If our body is dirty and weak, and germs make us sick. Germs can spread to other people and make them sick too. So we should not sneeze without covering our mouth. Always we should cover our mouth while sneezing. Okay? Just because when we are sneezing, the germs spread into the air, and through breathing other person inhale it and they also get sick. Okay, so we should cover our mouth while sneezing or coughing. Okay, now next is caring for others. There are different people around us. Some are old while some are differently abled. What is the meaning of differently abled? So differently abled, a person who cannot see, hear, speak, think और walk like others. Okay, ऐसे लोग जो चल नहीं पाते, सुन नहीं पाते, बोल नहीं पाते, and they can't think properly, so we call them differently abled. Okay, we cannot who cannot see, hear, speak, think or walk like anyone else. We must treat them with respect and help them if they need us. Okay, if any differently abled person you just see around you, so don't make fun of them. Okay, don't tease them, respect them and help them if they need. Okay, we can play with our differently abled person. Okay, if any of your friend is differently abled, so don't say कि you can't play with us, no, you can't walk, so don't play with us. No, just you should play with your differently abled person. Okay, we can help people who cannot see to cross the road. We can read for old people, get them medicines and take them out. You can go for a morning walk and evening walk with your grandparents, right? The differently abled are taught to overcome the problems they face. They use method like sign language. Sign language, the people who cannot speak, they use sign language. Okay, and the braille script to read and communicate. Braille script used by the people who cannot see. With the help of braille script, they can read and write. Okay, people who cannot walk take the help of walking aids like the wheelchair. Okay, So braille script, what is braille script? Method used by blind people to read and write. Okay, so braille script used by blind people, sign language used by the people who cannot speak, okay, and wheelchair used by the people who cannot walk. Okay, so we should respect these kind of peoples, we should help them if they need. Okay, so this is all about this block. Thank you all of you, have a nice day.